Hello. Today we'll go back to some more 1 mark questions for the board exam. Consider first question. Star be a binary operation on n given by a star b equal to LCM of a and b. Find 5 star 7. Now let's consider 5 star 7. According to the statement, 5 star 7 is LCM of 5 and 7. So LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Therefore, 5 star 7 equal to 35. Move on to the second question. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. So consider sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. This can also be written as sine inverse of sine of, split this 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3. Because if we simplify this by taking 3 LCM, this becomes 3 pi minus pi, means the given value 2 pi by 3. So write 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3. And we have the formula sine inverse of sine x equal to x. So using this formula, this term sine inverse of sine of pi minus pi by 3 can be written as sine inverse of sine pi by 3, that is also equal to pi by 3. Move on to third question. Find determinant of 3a if a equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. The question is, you have to get the value of determinant 3a, and we have the formula determinant 3a equal to 3 to the power n into determinant a. Now let's consider the value of determinant a. Here if you observe, the first column has 2 zeros. So expand the determinant using first column, that is 1 into, if you cancel the row and column, this much is remaining and value of this is 4. So we'll get value of determinant a equal to 4. Therefore, if we substitute in this formula, we'll get 3 to the power n. N is order of the determinant. Order is 3 because it is a determinant of order 3. 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So we can write it as 3 to the power 3 into determinant a, that is 4. That becomes 27 into 4 equal to 108. Now move on to fourth question. Find dy by dx if y is equal to e to the power log of x to the power 4. We know that e to the power log of f of x, e to the power log of f of x equal to f of x only. So if we use this formula here, e to the power log of x power 4 can also be written as x to the power 4. So now y is equal to x power 4. If we differentiate this, y dash equal to 4x cube. Now move on to next question. Question number 5. That is, find y dash if y is equal to cos of root x. If we differentiate, dy by dx equal to derivative of cos, that is minus sine of root x. Next, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So dy by dx is equal to minus sine of root x divided by 2 root x. Now move on to question number 6. Show that vector a equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and vector b equal to minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap are collinear. Now let's consider the scalar components of vector A. According to the statement, it is equal to 2, minus 3 and 4. Similarly, consider the scalar component of vector b, that is minus 4, 6, minus 8. If you observe vector b, minus 4, 6, minus 8 are the components. From this we can take minus 2 as common factor outside. If we take minus 2 as a common factor, the remaining parts 2, minus 3 and 4. But if you observe this, 2 minus 3 and 4 is vector A. So this will be minus 2 times vector A. So vector B equal to minus 2 times vector A. That means vector B equal to lambda times vector A. One vector can be represented as the scalar multiple of other vector. So the given two vectors are collinear. Now move on to question number 7. Write the domain of f of x equal to sine inverse x. So take y is equal to sine inverse x as the given function, and domain of sine inverse function is the closed interval minus 1 to 1. Now let's move on to next question. Find the value of x if the determinant 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to another determinant x, 3, 2x, 5. So consider the determinant 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to the determinant x, 3, 2x, 5. Find the value of the determinant. 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. So 10 minus 12 equal to 5x minus 3 2s are 6x. So 5x minus 6x is minus x. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Now let's move on to another question. If y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3, find y dash. Y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3. Then y dash is equal to derivative of tan is secant square of 2x plus 3. Now consider inner function, that is 2x plus 3. Using chain rule, derivative of 2x plus 3 is into 2. So 2 secant square of 2x plus 3 will be the required derivative. Now move on to next question. Find the unit vector of vector A, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Consider vector A, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. If we want the unit vector of this, denoted by a cap equal to vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. Vector A is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap divided by its magnitude, that is 2 square, 4 plus 3 square, 9 plus 1 square, 1. That is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, root 14, can also be written as 2i cap by root 14, 3j cap by root 14 plus k cap by root 14, which is the required unit vector in the direction of vector A. Consider another question. Find the principal value of cosecant inverse of minus root 2. We know that principal value of cosecant inverse of root 2, that is pi by 4. Therefore, principal value of cosecant inverse of minus root 2 is minus pi by 4. Now move on to the next question. Write the value of x for which tan inverse of 1 by x equal to cot inverse x. The required value of x is now x greater than 0, for which this condition holds good. Now move on to next question. If y is equal to sine of x square, find dy by dx. So consider y is equal to sine of x square. So y dash is equal to derivative of outermost function, that is sine, derivative of sine is cos of x square into derivative of x square is 2x. So the required answer is 2x cos of x square. Now consider next question. Find the direction cosines of I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. To get the direction cosines L, M and N, consider each coefficient of I, j and k, that is coefficient of I is 1, divide by length of the vector, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 6. So the direction cosine L equal to 1 by root 6, another one M equal to 1 by root 6 and N equal to 2 by root 6. Consider last question. Find x if determinant 3x x1 equal to 3, 2, 4, 1. Let us consider the value of the determinant, that is 3 into 1 3 minus x into x square equal to value of this determinant 3 1s are 3 minus 4 2s are 8. If we cancel these two terms, we'll get minus x square is minus 8. So x square is 8. X is equal to plus or minus root 8. That is plus or minus 2 root 2.